you need a clay oven to enjoy authentic tandoori flavors. Today we're making 3 irresistible tandoori delights: tandoori chicken, tandoori eggs and tandoori gobi right in your kitchen. Let's start with the classic tandoori chicken. In a bowl, take chicken pieces and prick them all over with a fork. This helps the marinade seep deep into the meat. Now add ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, salt, coriander powder, turmeric, garam masala, red chili powder, kasuri methi, hung curd and mustard oil. Mix well and let this marinate for at least an hour. Now heat some butter on a convection tray. Place the chicken pieces and cook at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes, flipping halfway. Once cooked, put some more butter and grill for another 20 minutes, flipping it 2 to 3 times for that perfect color. Now finish with a sprinkle of chaat masala and served with green chutney, fresh salad and lemon wedges. Next, tandoori eggs, a quick protein-packed twist. For this, in a bowl, mix yogurt, ginger garlic paste, turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, salt and fresh coriander leaves. Now add boiled eggs, toast well and cut them in half and coat again so every bite is covered. Now place them on a baking tray and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Served hot, perfect as a snack or a side. Now for our vegetarian star, Tandoori Gobi. For this, take a whole cauliflower, trim the leaves and stem. In a bowl, mix yogurt, ginger garlic paste, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric, red chili powder, chaat masala, salt, sugar and kasuri methi. Now coat the cauliflower thoroughly, making sure the marinade seeps into all the gaps. Now let it rest for an hour. Next step is to place the cauliflower leaves on a baking tray, drizzle leftover marinade. Now place the cauliflower in the middle, drizzled with ghee and bake at 190 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes. And there you have it, tender, smoky and absolutely delicious. Whether it's the juiciness of tandoori chicken, the spice comfort of tandoori eggs or the earthy goodness of tandoori gobi, these recipes bring the magic of tandoor to your table in minutes. Which one are you trying first? Let us know in the comments. For more such easy recipes, subscribe to Times Foodie.